Indonesian Coast Guard helping us ensure safety of the crew and the ship, helping us with the inspection. Everything is good and perfect on board, and I thank you for visiting us.
Yes.
Thank you for Kilo November Alugara.